Have you ever wondered how fleet maintenance can impact your business operations? Fleet maintenance is complex, with hurdles like tracking, minimizing risk, and increasing productivity. Neglect can affect your business outcomes. But what if we told you there's a solution to these challenges? Introducing the Fleetistics fleet management software, your solution to fleet maintenance. This tool streamlines operations, improves performance, reduces costs, and boosts productivity. Schedule preventive maintenance with a few clicks, minimizing downtime. It's equipped with data analytics for invaluable insights and optimization of processes. The intelligence benefits are far-reaching, impacting fleet performance and customer satisfaction. With our fleet management software, managing your fleet maintenance becomes easier, more efficient, and most importantly, effective. Now, imagine the possibilities for your business with our Fleetistics. Envision a well-maintained, safe fleet boosting your business. Think of data-driven decision-making, soaring productivity, and satisfied customers. All made possible with our efficient tracking and maintenance management. Don't wait for tomorrow. Take control of your fleet maintenance today. Try our fleet management software now and witness the transformation in your business operations.